Razer, we created the world's first high-performance gaming mouse to give gamers the unfair advantage. Since then, our scientists and engineers have worked with the top esports athletes to continuously push the envelope. Today, we're taking performance to a whole new level with the new Razer DeathAdder Elite featuring the world's most advanced optical sensor. Our esports athletes demand the highest levels of precision, which is why our 5th generation optical mouse sensor comes with true 16,000 DPI. True DPI means it reads the exact path that your mouse travels, unlike some other gaming mice which rely on software interpolation to achieve higher DPI levels. Secondly, our 5G optical mouse sensor features the world's highest native tracking speed of 450 inches per second. That's 30% higher than any other sensor in the industry. No matter how fast our esports athletes move their mouse, every single motion will be captured. And finally, at a near-perfect 99.4% resolution accuracy, our 5th generation optical mouse sensor is, without a doubt, the most accurate in the world. What that means is, when you move your mouse, you're assured one-to-one on-screen movement. This is the level of control that our esports athletes demand, and this is the level of control that our new 5th generation optical sensor delivers. We pioneered the first gaming mouse sensor, and we have raised the bar again to give our esports athletes the very best. This is the new Razer DeathAdder Elite, the esports gaming mouse.
I found